Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree.
As we bid farewell to another incredible year, we want to take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to each and every one of you who has made this journey so remarkable.
But also when it's cold and drear, oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree.
Hello everyone! This time last year, we've reached our first 1,000 subscribers and we were just barely monetized. We've reached an incredible milestone of 5,000 subscribers in 1 year. And thanks to your unwavering support, enthusiasm, and dedication to Life with Shay.
Every year this Christmas tree brings to us such joy and glee. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Gaze upon the sky, Christmas on my mind, somewhere from a place up high above.
Reflecting on the past year, it's truly heartwarming to see how this channel has evolved.
There's a song
And it's all because of the amazing community we've built together.
in a farm.
Your views, likes, comments, and shares have not only made this channel thrive, but they have also helped us to achieve a higher level of artistic personality, purpose, and life.
Bless us with a moment of serenity.
You are the heartbeat of Life with Shay, and we can't thank you enough for being a part of it.
Christmas news, hope will find its way.
In 2023, we explored new horizons, shared countless stories, learned valuable lessons, and enjoyed much laughter together.
Somewhere from a place up high
We embarked on this adventure not knowing where it would lead.
there's a special star shining from
But it's been an incredible journey so far, and we are thrilled to have had you all by our side.
every heart to be our light.
Your support fuels our passion,
The night
and your feedback helps us grow and improve every day.
the moment of serenity. Let it come to bloom. Joy
The snow is piling up against our door, and we might
As we look ahead to the coming year, we are filled with excitement and anticipation.
now, but they don't bother us none. If anything, it sounds like
We want you to know that our commitment to creating meaningful and engaging content remains stronger than ever.
or more. Now, but they don't bother us none. If anything, it sounds like a barrel of fun. Let's just have our Christmas of our own.
We promise to continue delivering content that entertains, educates, and resonates with all of you.
Let's forget about the
We invite you to be an integral part of our journey into 2024 and beyond.
A Christmas of our own, with no big choir singing, caroling, and church bells.
Your presence, your insights, and your enthusiasm are what makes this channel special. So let's continue to explore new topics, share new experiences, and create cherished memories together.
I just love it when we're together.
We, many times over, sincerely want to express our deepest thanks for your incredible support. You've made this channel more than just a virtual space. You've made it a community and a family. Here's to a new year filled with growth, learning, and unforgettable moments. Wishing you and your loved ones a joyous and prosperous new year. May it be filled with health, happiness, and success.
A Christmas of our own. And if Santa Claus comes around, we'll tell him to skip to the very next town. 'Cause we don't need no big choir singing, caroling, and church bells ringing. We just want a Christmas of our own. A Christmas of our own. We just want a Christmas.